Hello students, here is answer of bangle selling program question number 8. In this one, as we discussed, here I have taken two list. One is odd mark, the other one is even mark. Although both of these two lists can be created dynamically. And you can take any number of items in that one if you want, but as per this given list you should keep only 3 because total days are 6, so as per that, so that's why I have fixed it. Now let us come down. In this one I have taken one variable L0. I have because I want to know their length, although in this case it will be only 3. But if there is changing, then you will have to go by that. You will have to take the highest one. So that's what I have done here. So assume the length of the first one is 2 if he is just going for Monday, Tuesday only, or if in other day, if he is picking out only one day and he could not make any sale or anything, then I'll be picking out just one only. So that's why I have made here comparison. Whichever days are higher, that will be picked out. And now odd days have been marked as MWF, even days have been marked as TTS. Then I am to, because as in the question, seller has to sell all the items, all the bangles, all type of bangles, marked odd or even on Sunday, and but in sequence, MWM, MT, it will be MT, WT, FS, like that. So for this one, although the marked one, this odd day, Sunday, that has been odd day plus even day, but when we are coming down to selling numbers, those are odd even. Those have been marked odd even. So we cannot take them. We cannot use extend method here to append the list values, the bangle number of bangles values. So what I did here, I have taken one empty list, and this empty list is being filled up by these two. Firstly odd mark, and then append, then even mark, then append, then loop will go up. Again when the loop will go up, then it will again do the same thing. Odd mark, even mark, odd mark, even mark, odd mark, even mark. And when item has gone over, although I have made a check here, so you need not to give even this one. If you remove this, even it will be working. There is no problem. So you can remove this directly and you can go by this. And now when you will when the loop will rotate that many number of times, it will come out of it. And then when you will print it, and you for Sunday, for days, the first one, this is the days list, and here is the numbers sold. So you can run this program and see the output for this. Just run it and see the output. So here MWF, and it is TTS. No, I think here again I'll have to, I cannot do this with the hair even, because it will not be working. So I will have to go by the Sunday, will also go in the same way. So I will have to here pick, when you are putting up item 1, here you will have to go say day 1. I will take the variable day 1, and in this one I will look out for odd day, and then here I will pick out I, and here I will have to do same thing. Here you will write day, day 2, take another variable, and here you can pick out even day, and then it will again be picked out as I. So now when it has been picked out, now when you will run it, you can see the output. Now it will be giving you correct output. Save it and run it. Now here your answer is Sunday days are 100. So Sunday day 1, day 2. So you will have to keep on appending this day 1, day 2 one more line I'll have to add here. I will write here Sunday. So Sunday and append that. Sunday dot append day 1, and then here you will give day 2. Day 2 we have already given. Come down to the line, and here you can put Sunday and append day 2. Append, here you can give day 2. Like this you are done. Now you can execute this and you will get the answer. Run this and you will get the answer. So MTW TFS. So now it is clear, and now you can rerun it and you can see the output. So when running this program, you will be getting the correct output for this. So now here MTW Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and this is what he has sold. And now once this has been done, then his selling sequence is absolutely correct. Now after this, you have to check out every day what sale he is making on this piece for each one. So below this you can print that one. So here, as per the main question, I think we are done with this. So thank you very much for seeing this piece. If you have any doubt in anywhere in explanation or in understanding, please just let me know. Thank you very much for seeing this.